Hello everyone, a very good evening to all. This is our first informational video on any particular fabric. Yes, Pratibha Collections is doing their first video. Please bear with my voice, I'm having some problem with the throat. But I would like to be as clear and as crystal clear as possible. So today's first video, an inspirational video, or kind of an informational video, would be on modals, modal silk, modal by modal, modal cotton sarees. I'm very sure that every one of you might be purchasing modal sarees from various areas. Pratibha Collections also have modal sarees, but we always come across this doubt. People would come up and say that, ma'am, what exactly is a modal fabric? What exactly is a modal? Because modal is comparatively a newer term. Volume টা কমিয়ে দাও. Modal is comparatively a newer term. আরো কম. So modal is comparatively a newer word in this fabric industry. It is an experimental fiber been designed by the government of India. And this particular fiber has been derived from a very special tree called the beech tree. ये एक स्पेशल काइंड की फाइबर होती है जो कि बीच ट्री, बीच बोल के एक ट्री होती है, उसकी पल्प से we derive this fiber. So it's ultimately a cellulose fiber. By cellulose we mean is cotton. So modal is nothing but an improved variety of cotton, but the structure of modal is such that it gives you the shine and the texture and the luster. So it's a very lustrous fiber. We definitely are very familiar with the fiber called rayon. Rayon is also nothing but cellulose fiber, and modal is nothing but an improved version of rayon in the industry of saris, the 6 yards which we love to wear, the 6 yards of elegance. For that particular industry, rayon in an improved style is modal. So before I go into showing you the different kinds of modals Pratibha Collections have, I have already made you understand what a modal is. But yes, modal is 100% pure fiber. It's not a synthetic fiber at all. It has been derived from the organic wood pulp, and it's an organic fiber. But yes, even though it is an organic fiber, even though it's a cellulose fiber, it has its own shine. Now in Bengal, we, especially with Pratibha Collections, we have a habit of experimenting with different fibers. So when we would be creating modals, we have thought of designing modals in its own way. So the first sari which I'm going to start today is a modal by cotton sari. By modal by cotton, with modal by cotton I mean pure modal in the warp, and the weft is pure cotton. So warp and weft would be having modal and cotton. So it's 100% pure organic sari with 50% of its composition as pure modal and 50% of its composition as pure cotton. Again, as I tell you, both of the fibers, modal and cotton, are cellulose fibers. But yes, cotton doesn't have the shine and luster, but modal has got its shine and luster. Hence, the saris would be soft, they would be body hugging, and definitely they would be shiny. Okay, so let's start with the first sari for you. Today we are dealing with pure ajraks. The first sari is a modal ajrak in front of you. I would be showing you different designs of modal ajraks. This is my first sari. As you can see, it is in its beautiful shade of red. The beautiful red shade, the red, the ajraks are famous. Ajrak, as you know, is the beautiful hand block printing which is specialized from the Bama district of Rajasthan. So this is a pure modal cotton ajrak printed sari. Okay, let me open the sari for you. As you can see, the sari is very soft. Yes, and these are home wash fabric. Okay, so the first sari as I'm opening in front of you is this. Okay, so this is the first saree's look. Just a beautiful saree with the block. This is the block. As you can see, the block. For your detailed view, this is the block of the ajrak. All over the body, you have this beautiful block being done. Okay, so this is the beautiful sari, and this is the pallu of the sari. It's a beautiful pallu. The color of this particular sari is red. The brick red, the red which the brick red which is famous in Ajrak. Okay, so this is a pure Ajrak block printed model sari. So this is a brick red color, and the blocks are done with a rustic blue and a rustic black. Okay, so these are very rustic colors, so to make you look very pretty. So this is the first sari. Okay, first sari. The entire sari would be having this beautiful block done in it. Have a look, this beautiful block. Okay, first sari, sari number 1 in modal cotton. Okay, now let me show you the blouse piece for this saris. Every sari would be having a beautiful block printed blouse piece. Just have a look. Can you just see? This is the blouse piece. So you get a beautiful block printed, Ajrak block printed modal blouse piece with every sari. And coming to the price, we have a very budget friendly prices for these saris. Price of each modal cotton saris would come in the range of 3,000 only. So we are offering you these saris for 3,000. Remember, we are wholesalers and manufacturers also. So since we have these saris for our own production, we can provide you multiple pieces for each sari, and we also take pre-bookings for each sari. But yes, since these saris take a lot of time in production, you have to give us our required time. But yes, if you order in bulk, we can give you bulk. And yes, bulk prices are different. Now please don't understand this to be the reseller price. I'm only talking about bulk prices. For bulk quantities, we have different prices. Okay, so I'm removing my first sari, which is of modal cotton in the color of brick red. Okay, chalo. I'm going to my next sari in modal itself in Ajrak. Sari number 2. This is on another very decent and a very rustic shade. It's in the shades of off-white with beautiful maroon and green block being done. Have a look in the block. This is the block of the sari. Let me open the sari for you. Pure modal cotton saris. Modal by cotton. Pure modal by cotton. The reason for doing this particular video is to make you understand what exactly is the look of a beautiful modal fabric. So this is the look of the sari. Can you just see how pretty it looks? Yes, so these are very beautiful saris, very beautiful body hugging texture, and they are very soft and they are also shiny. They will not look like the cottons which we wear. Okay, so they will have their own shine. Have a look. This is the pallu of the sari. This is just a beautiful sari, and this would be the body of the sari. Price of the saris, as I told you, is 3,000 only. Shipping is extra all over India. We do have COD, and for people who want to buy from us in bulk, we have got separate prices for you. For that, you need to contact us in the numbers given at the top of the video. For anyone who would like to visit Pratibha Collections in person, the video would be having the numbers provided. You can connect any of the numbers and you can do buying from us. Okay, let me show you the blouse piece of the sari. As I told you, every sari is gifted with beautiful Ajrak block printed blouse piece. So this sari is also having a beautiful gifted blouse piece. Just lovely blouse piece. You can just make a blouse out of it, and you can just pair it up with any sari if you have. That would look just lovely. Price is only 3,000. Okay, removing my second sari, going to the third one, which is just the classic Ajrak. The classic Ajrak is, incomplete without this blue. Yes, the blue Ajrak, the blue color. that is famous in Ajrak. Yes, the third one is the blue color Ajrak. And yes, I will show you the block before I go into the opening. Just have a look. This is the block. This is the beautiful block, okay? The entire body of the sari is having this beautiful block. This sari is of the beautiful Ajrak blue along with red blocks, the rustic red, the rustic maroon, and yes, that's blue with red combination. Let me open the sari because you know every sari would look. Start. So this is the beautiful blue color. Okay, the rustic blue color, as I told you. This is the famous Ajrak block which is famous all over India. Whenever we see Ajraks, we cannot just avoid this particular rustic blue color. The blue with the beautiful red blocks. The entire sari is having this beautiful blue and the red block. Okay, red with the rusted grey and the blue and the red block. This is the pallu of the sari. The beautiful pallu of the sari. Just awesome. And let me show you the blouse piece. As I told you, with every sari, you get a gifted blouse piece, which is nothing but an Ajrak printed model blouse piece. So this is your blouse piece for the sari. And yes, price is very reasonable. You get this beautiful sari at only 3,000 rupees. Shipping is extra, and yes, bulk buy offers are separate. We also entertain resellers for us, and we have got separate price for resellers too. Removing my third sari. Going to the next beautiful shade of Ajrak. This is in the shade of the beautiful mustard. The mustard color Ajrak block. Just awesome, isn't it? Have a look. This is also having a beautiful block. The block is just awesome. It's a beautiful mustard color with the blocks made out of red and black. So it's having its own beauty. Just awesome. Let me open the sari for you. As I told you, every Ajrak is a masterpiece. And yes, whenever we are doing Ajraks on models, it will be just awesome to wear such saris. And yes, if you get the saris at such affordable rates, why not go for them? Yes, so this is the sari. This is the look of the sari. This is the pallu of the sari. Just a wonderful pallu. Wonderful pallu. Okay. Music to change. Okay, so this is the blouse piece of the sari. Have a look. A beautiful block printed blouse piece. The beautiful Ajrak block printed blouse piece for you. So every sari gives you a beautiful Ajrak block printed blouse piece for free. So basically you get a sari as well as you get a beautiful Ajrak printed block blouse piece, model blouse piece. Okay. So the sari is also cost is 3,000. Shipping is extra. Reselling price and bulk price is different. You can easily connect us for reselling or for bulk buy in the numbers given at the top of the video. Going to a next sari. Another blue color, but the block is slightly different this time. This particular block is having blue with the greenish, the olive greenish texture. Just before I open the sari, have a look at the block. The beautiful block printed model. Now when I'm opening the saris, you can see these saris are just like so soft, right? They're like the feathers, you know, very comfortable for people who want to, wear something different for daily wears, for office wears. I feel these saris would just serve the purpose at any occasion. You can drape these saris with a beautiful black blouse. Every sari would look lovely with a black blouse. Have a look. The sari number 4. 4 na 5 beta? 5. Sari number 5. The beautiful Ajrak blue with beautiful rustic green. That's it is. Just an awesome sari. Have a look at the pallu. This is the pallu. The lovely pallu. Pure Ajrak cotton modal saris. This is the view. Let me show you the blouse piece. Every sari would be having a lovely blouse piece, a lovely ajrak printed blouse piece it is. This is the blouse piece for this too. So just a wonderful indigo color blouse piece. And let me tell you, these are all organic dyed saris. These particular saris are 100% organic dyed saris. So you basically get something from the Mother Earth. So everything, starting from the fiber, starting from the color, everything is coming from Mother Earth. So it's 100% organic, nature friendly sari. Price is only 3,000. Removing this particular saris, going to the next one, another blue with a beautiful red. Just have a look. No, another blue with a beautiful red. Have a look at the block. Another beautiful block in its own way. I have to show you this sari by opening it in this way so that you can understand the block. Isn't it lovely? Let's go to the draped view of it. So this is your draped view. This block is just mind-blowing. It's having the square type of impression. Just a mind-blowing block. And this is the pallu, the lovely pallu. The lovely pallu. Okay? The lovely pallu, right? Yes. So that's another beauty. Ajrak block printed modal cotton saris. Let me show you the blouse piece. A beautiful block printed ajrak block printed blouse piece again for you. So easily stitch it into lovely ajrak blouses. As you all are aware of, ajrak blouses would cost you around 700, 850, 900. But with this particular sari, so you get a blouse piece, a ajrak blouse piece free. So you can easily stitch it into a beautiful blouse. Removing it, going to the next particular design. This is the last design for the ajrak. Again, a very pretty off-white color in ajrak with a beautiful rustic maroon and rustic green. That's what it is. Let me show you this view. These saris would just complement you in its any way. So people who would feel that, I am kind of bit bulky and heavy, these saris are just so body hugging and they're just figure correcting in its own way. You can see the beauty of the block. Just a beautiful block. Base of off-white, block done with maroon and green. And this is the beautiful pallu of it. The beautiful pallu. And let me show you the blouse piece again. A beautiful blouse piece. A beautiful ajrak printed blouse piece. Modal blouse piece. Lovely, lovely, lovely. Its texture, luster, and the feel and the shine. You can see it's having its own shine. Just a lovely sari to wear. And yes, these are home wash. These are home wash and you can easily maintain the saris at home. They will not bleed its color. Price is only 3,000. To get these saris, you have to come down to Pratibha Collections, and our Facebook page is from the page we are coming on live. If you like the video, just like the button so that you can subscribe it and you can get all our latest updates. And the numbers through which you can reach us are given down. You can reach us at any of these numbers. Go ahead, just give us a call or just ping us to get more collections. In the next video, we are going to give you more collections of modal. Thank you. Bye-bye.